Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make an image of a glass to a transparent glass in Adobe Photoshop. I have this image as a background, link to this image mentioned in the description. First, go to the File menu, then Place Embedded, select your image and click on Place. Link of this image is also mentioned in the description. Adjust it. Zoom it a bit. Select the pen tool, and make a selection of this glass. When it is done, hit Ctrl+Enter from your keyboard for selection lines. Then go to the Layer menu and create layer via copy of it. Delete this layer. Go to the Layer menu again and create layer via copy of it, or press Ctrl+J. Now press Ctrl+Shift+U from your keyboard. Then press Ctrl+Alt+2. And create layer via copy of it. Hide this layer. And select the glass layer and add a layer mask to it. Select the brush tool, and make sure the foreground color is black. Zoom in on the glass image a bit. And apply. Now select the top layer, go to the Image menu, then Adjustments and Levels. Use these settings for levels. And add a blank layer. Select the brush tool and apply. Press Ctrl+T and adjust it. Now change its blend mode to overlay. Press Ctrl+J for layer via copy. And bring down its opacity to 30%. And that's it. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic related tutorials. Thank you for watching.